Today, we're diving into some overlooked cleaning tools that can truly change the game in your household chores. Just like when we tidy our belongings and keep only those that spark joy, choosing the right cleaning tools can spark joy in the process of cleaning itself. These often overlooked tools are not simply about efficiency, although that is a wonderful benefit. They are about mindful cleaning, about creating a peaceful and joyful experience as we care for our homes. Let's discover the magic these tools can bring to your cleaning routine. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Have you ever considered the humble microfiber cloth? These cloths are like tiny little miracles when it comes to cleaning. Their fibers, so fine and densely woven, reach into every nook and cranny, capturing dust and grime with a gentle touch. Unlike paper towels or old rags, microfiber cloths leave surfaces sparkling clean without the need for harsh chemicals. Just a little water, or your favorite gentle cleaner, and these cloths work their magic. They are also incredibly durable, able to be washed and reused countless times, which sparks joy in knowing we are caring for our environment. Think of the gentle caress of a microfiber cloth on your delicate surfaces, leaving them gleaming and free from streaks. The joy of cleaning comes from this connection, this mindful act of caring for our belongings. Let's talk about tackling those tougher cleaning tasks, the ones that often feel like a chore. This is where the robotic vacuum can significantly reduce the time and effort you spend cleaning by autonomously handling a tedious chore. While you're at work, running errands, or simply relaxing, it efficiently navigates your floors, picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair. This automation frees you from manual vacuuming, allowing you to focus on other tasks or enjoy your free time. Some newer models can even return to the station and empty the dirt cup when they are full. Some can even mop the floor, then return to the station and clean the mop pads afterwards. The robotic vacuum is a testament to the fact that cleaning doesn't have to be strenuous. It can be a mindful and even enjoyable experience with the right tools. Our hands are precious tools, and protecting them while we clean is essential. But traditional rubber gloves can sometimes feel clunky and cumbersome. Let me introduce you to reusable cleaning gloves, a true innovation in hand protection. These gloves are designed for both comfort and functionality. They are often made from durable, flexible materials that allow for a better grip and greater dexterity. Imagine feeling like you can truly connect with your cleaning, feeling the surfaces as you work without any harsh chemicals coming into contact with your skin. Many reusable cleaning gloves also feature built-in scrubbing pads or textured surfaces, eliminating the need for separate sponges or brushes. This sparks joy in simplifying our cleaning routines and minimizing waste. These gloves are a testament to the fact that even the smallest details can make a big difference in creating a joyful cleaning experience. Dusting can sometimes feel like an endless battle, especially when those hard-to-reach places are involved. But fear not, because the extendable duster is here to make this task a breeze. Imagine this. A duster that effortlessly reaches those high shelves, ceiling fans, and cobweb-laden corners. The extendable handle allows you to adjust the length, giving you the flexibility to reach every nook and cranny without straining or having to climb on furniture. This tool brings a sense of peace to dusting, knowing that you can maintain a clean and dust-free home with ease. The extendable duster is not just a tool, it's an extension of your own reach, allowing you to care for your home with grace and precision. Let's talk about a tool that brings both practicality and a touch of playfulness to our cleaning routine. Silicone scrubbing gloves. These gloves are a must-have for anyone who wants to make dishwashing and other scrubbing tasks more enjoyable. Imagine this: soft, flexible silicone bristles that gently massage away food residue and grime. These gloves are not only effective but also gentle on delicate surfaces. They are also incredibly hygienic, as they are naturally resistant to bacteria and can be easily sanitized in the dishwasher. The joy of silicone scrubbing gloves lies in their versatility. Use them for dishes, scrubbing vegetables, cleaning bathroom fixtures, or even grooming your pet. These gloves are a great tool for making cleaning both practical and enjoyable. Let us know in the comments which of these cleaning tools is your favorite. Remember, choosing the right cleaning tools can spark so much joy in the process of caring for our home. It's not just about getting the job done, but about creating a peaceful and joyful experience as we create a clean and tidy space to live in. Thanks for dropping by today, and we'll see you in the next video.